Welcome to White Shadow Fare, where I'm making it homemade and I'm making it with love. Today, I'm making a delicious banana bread that's pale in color but super moist. You'll need the following ingredients: butter, sugar, eggs, bananas, buttermilk, vanilla extract, flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Start by mashing 2 to 3 very ripe bananas. You need a total of 1 cup. Place the mashed banana into a measuring cup, making sure that you have at least 1 full cup of bananas. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Half of a cup of softened butter. One cup of sugar. Cream the sugar and butter together for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Two eggs. In between each addition of egg, you are going to mix for at least 30 seconds to get everything well blended. Add the mashed bananas. And to this mixture, you're going to add 1/4 of a cup of buttermilk. Now, what makes this such a pale banana bread is it doesn't use any brown sugar at all. It's only using white sugar. A teaspoon of baking powder. An 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. One and 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour. Remember, this is a quick bread, so you don't really want everything completely smooth or your bread will come out tough. Go ahead and place this in a buttered or greased and floured pan. I used a 9x5 pan as the recipe called for. I would put it in a smaller pan than that. I would do an 8x4 pan because I like my banana breads a little bit of a thicker slice. Tap on the counter a few times just to get out any air pockets and go ahead and place it in that 350-degree oven for about an hour. Every oven bakes differently, so make sure that a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. Here you can see how nice and golden brown mine came out, and I'm just checking it to make sure that nothing is sticking to it. And then you're going to let this cool on a wire rack for at least an hour. And here you can see that it's got a nice moist crumb. It's lighter in color than most banana breads, but it's perfect for snacking, for dessert, for breakfast. Thank you for joining me at White Shadow Fare.